Thank you to our Angolan customers for choosing our EA1000C3 rental LED screen. This screen has become the first choice for many rental projects due to its excellent design and high-quality materials. The EA1000C3 rental LED screen is not only sturdy and beautiful in appearance, but also performs well when in use. The quick locking devices on the left and right sides can not only greatly shorten the installation time, but also ensure that the screen maintains perfect flatness during assembly, which is essential for stage and live events. In addition, this screen also has buffer feed at the bottom of the cabinet to maximize the protection of the edges of the LED module to ensure that the equipment will not be damaged during frequent disassembly and transportation. These design details fully reflect our strict control of product quality and our deep understanding of customer needs. We believe that the EA1000C3 will bring the ultimate visual experience and stable performance to your project.